welcome my girl budgeting crew. Welcome to today's video, guys. So on today, guys, we are going to be doing our penny savings Tuesday. So basically it's a penny savings challenge that I had acquired with Beautifully Me and You. It's her savings challenge that she has gave away, and basically I am saving my pennies and coins with that. Sorry for reaching over. I need to get my bin, and there goes my lights. I knew it was gonna happen. Hold on, guys. We lost the lights. Okay. My goodness. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, my name is Jack with My Girl Budgeting, and I basically am working my way to becoming debt free by doing fun savings challenges, whether they are penny savings, so the bare minimum of coins that you can save, to a multitude of different savings that I do throughout my channel. Plus I do giveaways, plus I do budgeting for myself to help myself be accountable so that I can become debt free and not live paycheck to paycheck, guys. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into our penny savings. Let me get my coin for today. And see what we are actually saving. I have no idea what that was. It wasn't a cat. No, it was actually my wig. Alright, guys, I have loose change here. So let me put this away into their bins, because I did not do that. I need to put the names like pennies, quarters, dimes, nickels, you know. Dime, pennies, nickels, pennies. These are all pennies. These coins are looking, they're ugly. Okay. And that is it. Okay, so we have each of my coins here. Let me go ahead and grab also my $8. So I do my penny savings, and I will go into how I do that, but also I'm going to show you guys, I do pull out $2 savings. Actual $2 notes is basically what I'm saving with, and with that I only put $8 of twos, so that I am saving my change with that, just as an added challenge, you know, to complete this savings. So there's my 4 twos. So there you go. None of them are star notes, but that's okay. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, I would again love for you guys to subscribe. But also, what I do with my penny challenge is basically I've taken all the change that you see, like this one has 10.08, 10.57. All of the ones that are marked half means the change has been fulfilled. Now we are on the other half of the penny, means I'm applying dollars to this savings now. That's where the $2 come into play, but also the coins still come into play as well. Let me zoom out. I feel like I'm so close. Okay, that's better. All right, so basically, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my inspiration card, guys, because I do love to read that to you guys for the day. Let's do that. So for today's inspiration card, we have: the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and rescues those who are crushed in spirit. Sorry, guys. Psalms 34:18. So the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and rescues those who are crushed in spirit. Okay. All right. So we'll put this off to the side. let's go ahead and see where we left off. So we left off at $4. I paid $5 toward this last savings, so now I owe $4. I'm going to see what we have in change first, then I move to the dollars. So we have 50 cents, 60, 70, 80, 90. Wait, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. $1, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. $1.32 is what we're putting in change. So we have $4 to pay, and then we're applying $1.32 in change. So $2.68 is what is going to be going into to complete this penny. So I'm going to put the $2, $4 to make up the difference for the 68 cents. So we're going to do minus $4, meaning $1.32 of this is going to be moving over to the next penny. Okay, so this is done, so I can color this in. Okay, so $1.32 is what's left of this $2. Now I'm going to be adding the rest of the $4. So that means minus $4. So $5.32 is what I am paying toward this challenge, which is the $9 here. Okay, so I'm going to do color half, and I'm going to put that I paid $5.32. And so to make up the difference for $9 next go round, oh, no, $9 minus $5.32, meaning I have $3.68 I need to apply to that savings for next go round. I only play with $8 on my twos, whatever change I have. I do not go any further than that, and that's what stops the game at this point. So now I get all my change, and I'd put it into my money bin that's got all my money accounted for, that it goes to this. These dollars go into this savings and to be counted later. I will not count them yet, or I mean I could. I guess I could. Yeah, let's go ahead and count, just so you guys can see what I've accumulated. So at first I did do the dollars, so those are the only dollars that I have, the $1, but the rest are $2. So we have 2, 4. It feels like more than 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. $56, guys. Plus whatever I haven't changed, and I do have many more rolls, much change. I have put them aside into their to their coin rolls. So whenever I actually complete that, I will pull everything out to give you a count at that point. But by the end of it, we should have $667 completed. Once this has been completely done, I mean, I'm almost halfway there. I want to say I started this sometime in I want to say either probably November. I may have started this. I don't know. It may have been even later. But yeah. Alright guys, so that is that. Now what I like to do with this, again, is get that change and put it into coin rolls. So let me put my bins away for next go round. We're gonna see what we can play with as far as making some change, if I have enough to make a roll. Actually, it looks like I might have nickels, enough nickels to do maybe. I need what? To make $2, I need 40 nickels. Let's see if I have enough. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. Ooh, we might not have it. 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't have it, guys. I still can't make any change. I could probably do my pennies. I don't have enough to do all my nickels. A nickel roll. Dang it. I thought I would have already had some by now. Okay, so what we will try to see if we can do pennies. I don't know that I could. Let's see, I need 50 of them. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It'd be like funny if it was just short. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yeah, guys. At least we got rid of the copper. And we can put some pennies in a roll. Okay, so let me get a penny roll. This way over here. Now we can try to get it stuffed in there. It's crazy. We're starting to get warmer weather now, so it's like been in the probably upper 80s to maybe 90s that it's hitting. But come this weekend, we're gonna be dropping back down to the 50s and 60s. We're supposed to have a cold front coming in. I'm supposed to have a garage sale coming in to do, and they were telling me it's probably gonna rain, so hoping I can get a garage sale going at least this weekend. I have so much stuff I need to get rid of. And I keep saying I'm gonna have one and then I don't. I put it off and then more stuff accumulates. So yeah, that's my plan this weekend. We'll see if we can do it. If it's nice, if it's cool, I don't mind doing those. The garage sale, but if it's raining, I don't want to be out there. So, alright, yeah, so we got those 50 cents, guys, for this penny here. We'll put it inside. And usually I'll move this if it gets too heavy in here. I typically will move this into the coin bag that I have for these. Alright guys, so that is video. I hope you enjoyed this Penny Savings Tuesdays. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and use that hashtag roll so I can know that you guys watched up to this point. If you did enjoy this video and my channel, please don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you guys can take part or get notified every time I do an upload, go live, post a community post, which I try to do a lot. I am also on the road to 1K, guys. We are almost there. It is a goal of mine to hit 1K by my birthday, and I hope I do. I mean, I'm still, I still got time, but I hope I hit it before then. But if you guys want to go check out my community post that I did to give out a hint of the 1K, go check that out. I want to say I posted it a few days ago. I can't remember exactly. But that way you guys can take part in that. But anyways, guys, with that, I am going to go ahead and shove off. Much love to you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.